Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making fresh fish stew. For this recipe you don't need so much. You can buy any fish of your choice. As you can see, I'm using croaker. You can use any fish of your choice and season it as you find it please. I'll be dropping all the seasonings and the method I used to cook this stew. So I want you to relax and enjoy it while I make this stew. Thank you for staying with me. I appreciate you. And if this is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share it with your friends and families so that we'll be able to grow as a family. Thank you so much. I will see you on the other side. If you've brought up to this place, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I hope you love this recipe. Please do give it a go and tell me in the comments how yours came out. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and everyone that has been supporting this channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.